Hey y'all, so today's Sunday. Happy Sunday, y'all. And I did not feel like cooking no big meal today because, again, yes, your girl was feeling underneath the weather. So, with weather being how it was just raining all day. I said to my husband, "How about we have soup today?" And that's what I did, guys. That's pigtail. Don't be grossed out. Don't be. Y'all know what pigtail is. So I decided to make some soup, and I was like, "Wait, I got some pigtail, and I love pigtail." So this is what I did, y'all. This is what I did. So I'm here cleaning the pigtail, washing it up, because you know you got to wash your meat, okay? Wash your meat. So I'm cleaning it with some lemon water, and then I'm going to put it on the stove to cook, okay? You want to boil your pigtail at least 3 to 4 times because it has a lot of salt in there, and you don't want to have a salty soup or whatever you're putting it into, okay? So make sure you wash it good. Take off the fat. So you will see, this is where I take off the fat off of the pigtail, all right? That's just some of it. I made sure I skimmed off much as I could get off, okay? So you're going to wash that again. Wash it and wash it and wash it, okay? Then you're going to put it on the stove and let that boil. Like I said, I boiled it about 4 times. Okay, now this is my gizzard because my husband loves gizzard in the soup. Okay, everybody make their soup different. This is how I like to make my soup. And I did add some turkey neck to that too. All right, because this soup was just power packed and all over the place. All right, but this is just this soup. Each time I make soup, it is different and it just tastes amazing. For my lemon, when I'm doing my lemon, my lime. When I'm doing my lime, I press on it and squeeze it to get the juice. Okay, so that's why I'm squeezing it, because if it's hard, then you're not going to get a lot of juice from it. Okay, so I made sure that I squeeze the lime so that I could get enough juice from it. So now it's nice and soft. You see that my fingers are going down in it because it's soft. All right, so I'm able to cut it right now and squeeze it in there to wash the meat. Almost every meat that I eat, I wash it. Okay, if I don't have the lemon juice, then or the lime juice, I get the lime or get a lemon, whatever I have, or vinegar. You wash your meat, okay? And so I was done washing, and now I'm showing you guys like what I'm going to be incorporating into my soup, which is okra, thyme, pumpkin, carrots, and a little bit of scotch bonnet in all my soup mix, okay? As you can see, it's great. And I also had a piece of ham bone left over from Thanksgiving because we cut off all the meat off of the ham and just left the ham bone. And I put that in the soup. But here is the pigtail that I washed off again, and I added on back to the stove again. It's boiling now. So I cut up my carrots. Just wanted to show you guys that. Yep, and I had cut up some banana as well, some green banana. I forgot about that. Some green banana, some potatoes, and some yam. I cut up a bunch of stuff and just threw it into the soup. Some pumpkin, carrots, everything. Like I said, this was a power pack soup, okay? But I took the potatoes back out because I forgot. The potatoes are going to cook very fast. It don't take long for it to cook, so I added in last minute, okay? So this is the soup and what it looks like. Let's clean out those lens because, it was fogging up real fast. And it was so delicious. Look at that. Look at the okra. My husband needed this, okay? Because he was having a little bit of cold too, so this was well needed. And look at that. I did put a little bit of turmeric in there, okay? Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay tuned for more.